Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on the 9th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.86. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.84%. This equates to an average return of 0.87% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper range of a very broad and strong upward trend in the short term. This situation typically represents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $699.20 would initially suggest a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 15.48% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 10.95% to 16.33%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 22.43%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 11.05% and 37.86% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $617.33 and $956.86. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Meta as Stock Downgraded to Buy Candidate. The Meta stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.523% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. It fell from $697.71 to $694.06. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 1.61%, with a low of $693.97 and a high of $705.14. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 10.68% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased along with the stock, which is a positive indicator as volume typically follows stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 2 million shares, with a total of 10 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $6.74 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $740.89, while the lowest was $442.65. Currently, the price stands at 6.32%, or $46.83, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is in advanced discussions to make a substantial investment, reportedly exceeding $10 billion, in the artificial intelligence startup Scale AI. This move signals Meta's commitment to strengthening its position in the artificial intelligence sector, an area poised for significant growth. As Scale AI specializes in data labeling, this investment could enhance Meta's capabilities in developing and refining artificial intelligence applications, potentially leading to improved user experiences and stronger competitive advantages in the technology landscape. In the short term, the announcement has already attracted investor attention, indicating a positive reception from the market. Such a significant investment could enhance investor confidence in Meta's aggressive growth strategy, likely boosting stock prices as optimism surrounding future artificial intelligence initiatives increases. In the long term, should Meta successfully leverage this investment to develop innovative artificial intelligence-driven products, it could solidify its leadership in the technology industry, generating substantial revenue streams. However, this action also draws scrutiny, as Pomerantz law firm has initiated an investigation into claims on behalf of Meta investors, suggesting that the company may face challenges ahead. Overall, While the investment in Scale AI could unlock transformative growth opportunities, it also carries inherent risks that may impact Meta's market performance moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Meta a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank rated Meta as overweight with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was also reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive grade with a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Meta as overweight with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, UBS gave Meta a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock currently shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels are identified at $678.51 and $613.66. A downturn below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. However, some negative indicators have also emerged, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Friday, June 6, 2025, and the stock has since dropped by approximately 0.523%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which helps to mitigate overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $586.50 and $585.77. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, Meta finds support just below today's level at $586. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $585.77 and $531.62. This stock has average daily movements, and, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $11.17 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.61%. For the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.92%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.83. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $697.71. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $586. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of May, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 22.168. Overall, insiders purchased 118,770 shares and sold 187,155 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $668.53, which represents a decline of 3.68%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we anticipate that Meta will open higher by $3.66, starting at a price of $697.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.